Okay, so to sign up for GitHub, all you need to do is to go to your browser, whatsoever browser of your choice, search for github.com, then it will bring you to the home page. So immediately you search for the word github.com. That is the link. So you search for that. So it's going to bring you to the home page. Then you click on sign up for GitHub. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So you can see you already have an account, sign in, create a free account. So you see sign up for GitHub. So now you don't have an account yet. So if you have an account yet, you just need to log in. But since you don't have an account yet, so instead of, you can use two options. You can come here, put your email, your password, your username, your country, then you click on create account. But there's another way, a faster way, by clicking on continue with Google. So this only applies to those that their Gmail account is already on their phone. If you have your Gmail account already logged in on your phone, you can use this. So it will just access your Gmail account, then it will not even ask for details. It's already, your name, your details, everything's already in your Gmail account. So it will just take all those things from it. But if you don't have it on it, then if you don't have your Gmail account logged in on your phone, you can decide to use this email, password, username, and things like that. But let's go with continue with Google. So it's going to bring you to all your Gmail accounts that is registered on your phone or logged in on your phone. So you can see this is all my Gmail account that is logged in on my phone. So I'm going to click on any of my choice. So I'll click on this now. So while it's loading, it will not ask me for much questions. It's not asking for name, not really much of those things. So if you just go to sign into GitHub, it's never asking me to create a password, because it is the password that I used for my Gmail account. That Gmail account you are using, that is going to be using. So you click on continue. So you can see now it has automatically filled it in for you. So you can username, you can change the username if you want, if it is available. Then country, you choose your country. So I'm going to choose Nigeria. Then you click on create account. So you can see now this is the home page of GitHub now. So the first thing you are going to do now is that you are going to create a repository. So you can see here, you say create your first project. So you are going to click on create repository. So that's what you are going to click on. You click on that. So this is where you are going to upload all the files that you have created with Claude, the HTML file, the CSS file, and the JavaScript file. So the repository name, let's just give it a name. Let's say project 1. So that's, you see, so just give it a name, choose visibility, make sure that this is on public, then you come over here, click on create repository. So it's going to, now it has created the repository. This way you're not going to upload those files, right? This way you're going to upload those files. So the next thing you're now going to do now is to come over here where you see quick setup if you've done this kind of thing before. So it says get started by creating a new file or uploading an existing file. So don't click on creating a new file because you already have the files already. So you are going to click on uploading an existing file. Click on that. So it's going to take you to a new interface. So you see here, say drag files here to add them to your repository, drag additional files, and so on. So now you are going to click on choose your files. So it's going to take you to your folder, to your file app or whatsoever. So because this is an iPhone, so I go to choose files. So whatever phone you are using is going to take you to wherever it needs to take you to. So you come over here. So this is where I have mine here in project 1. So you can see all the projects here already. You can see this is the HTML file which you have to rename to index. This is the JavaScript file, and this is the CSS file. So all I need to do, I need to start uploading them one by one. So I'll click on the index first. I'll upload it. So immediately you are done, you will see your files like this. I've uploaded my HTML file, my JavaScript file, and my CSS file. So immediately I'm done with that. All I need to do, you don't need to do anything. As long as you are done uploading these 3 files, just click on commit changes. Then it's going to save. So now you have uploaded the 3 files. So the next thing you are going to do now is to go to Netlify, then connect this repository to Netlify to upload it. So open your browser and search for netlify.com. Now what you want to do is to register an account on Netlify, then connect it to that repository that we created on GitHub so that we can deploy the website on Netlify. Just follow me. So now the first thing, just click on accept all, then you click on start building. Now it's going to bring you to this interface where you have sign up with Google, sign up with GitHub, sign up with this lab. So you can decide to sign up with your GitHub, that account that you created, you link it together, or you can sign up with Google, any of your choice. So let's just sign up with Google. It will still give us the same results. So let's sign up with Google, just like we signed up for the GitHub. It's going to be automatic. So we are signing up for the Google now. I'll click. So use the same account, the same Gmail account that you used in signing up for that GitHub. That's the same account you should use for Netlify, so that you can have an easy workflow. So you can see it's going to, when you sign up, because I already have an account with that email, so that's why I have some things like this. But if you don't have an account already, it will ask you a few questions. Answer those questions. You don't need to worry about those questions. It's not really, just answer it rightly. So whatever question it asks you, whenever you signed up with that Gmail, ask you like your name, the kind of project you want to create. Answer those questions. Then when you are done, it will bring you to an interface like this. Then go to where you find look for where you see add new projects. So go to add new projects. So when you go to add new projects, so you can see here, you can see the drag and drop, upload your projects file, which will actually work for people using laptop. But for you that you are using a phone, so go to import a Git repository. So now this way you are going to connect the GitHub. Make sure that you've not closed your GitHub on your browser. Make sure that it is open. Make sure you have logged in your GitHub account on your browser, right? So now we are going to click on GitHub. So it's going to connect the GitHub account that we have to this, so that it can easily just bring in those websites that we have uploaded here. So you can see I say, wants to Netlify by my Netlify wants to access your GitHub account. So you are going to authorize it. So now they are going to have access to your GitHub account. So yeah, they are redirecting you. It will something you see something like this happening on your phone. So it's asking you install on your personal account. You can see the account that I used on. You can see the account that I used. That's the account I used. So I'm going to use all repositories, or you can click on select only repository. Maybe you don't want it to see all the repository that you have created on your GitHub account. You can any of your choice, but for this case, I'm going to be using all repositories. So I'll click install. Then the next thing I'm going to see is going to bring out all your repository that you have created. So because I already have one repository created on my GitHub account, that is project 1. That is why you are seeing only this. But if I have up to 5, 10, everything will be showing. So you get to choose from the one you want to use exactly. So now we are using project 1. So I'll click on it. So you can see project name. This thing you are seeing here is one of the questions you'll be asked when you are creating an account. What's the name of your team? You have to put a name there. So you can just look for any name, put the name of a team. So project name, you can let's just use the same project 1. Let's use project 1. So it is that name that will be the name of your browser. So when people want to search for the name now, it is that name they will use to search for it. So you can see now, you say project 1 is not available. So you just click and keep on choosing until you find the name. So let's just use project amazing. So it says the name is available. So you just continue choosing until you have a name that is available. So when you are done, just come over, look through this place, make sure that it is on main. Don't choose any other thing. Don't leave all this alone. Then come to deploy project amazing. We're saying project deploy in progress. Just hold on for it. It won't take time. And if it's taking time, you can just refresh the page. So when it is done, you will see something like this. It's having project amazing.netlify.app. So that means it is done. So after refreshing the page, hold on till the name turns to green color like this. Then after it is showcasing in green color like this, then you click on it and it will take you to the website. And you have your website already. So you can see that is how to have your website deployed on Netlify through GitHub. This applies for people that are using mobile phone. You can also do it for people that are using laptop. You can also do this also. It is applicable anywhere. But for people that are using mobile phone, because they can't do drag and drop, they can't use the drag and drop option on Netlify. That is why we have to use GitHub, connecting into a GitHub. Then from the GitHub, creating an account on the GitHub, then connecting it to Netlify. That is it. Thank you.